11 Simple Tips and Tricks About Money. A Twitter thread by Nathan Barry. You can follow him on Twitter, @Nathan Barry. Here are 11 simple tips and tricks about money. Tip: avoid lifestyle creep. When most people start making more money, they start spending more. They buy a new car or an expensive wardrobe. Instead, consider reinvesting that money. Wealth creation greater than lifestyle inflation. Trick: climb the ladders of wealth creation. Every career starts in the bottom left and works through each ladder over time. The higher you climb, the more you earn, but the more skills and experience you need to acquire. Tip: teach your kids about money when raising kids. The opposite of spoiled isn't poor, it's grateful. Live frugally. Teach them to save. Give them an allowance. Speak openly about money. Create a culture of gratitude. Encourage them to start a business. Trick: how to calculate annual salary from hourly wage. To convert an hourly rate into a full-time hourly salary, simply double it and add 3 zeros. $40 per hour becomes $80,000 per year. The reverse works as well. $100,000 per year is about $50 per hour at 40 hours per week. Tip: identify what shaped your relationship with money. Ask yourself, what early memories shaped my relationship with money? The answer might surprise you. A lot of your money decisions are driven by those early experiences. Trick: automate your finances. Personal finance can get confusing, especially when you have a full-time job and a few side hustles. Build systems that automatically 1. Pay your rent, mortgage. 2. Pay your bills. 3. Put money in your savings. 4. Invest money for retirement. Tip: set aside 25 to 30% of income as a freelancer. Freelancers have to pay self-employment taxes and income taxes. Self-employment tax is 15.3%. Income tax is obviously variable. Periodically putting money aside will ensure you have enough to pay when tax time comes around. Trick: use active income to buy passive income. Generate active income from a day job or service business. Then use that income to invest in assets that'll earn passive income. Tip: making money is a skill. Learn it. Making money is like learning to play the piano. You're not going to sit down at the keys for the first time and play a concerto. But over time, you'll get better and better. The same is true with making money. Trick: donate appreciated stock. You can save a significant amount on taxes if you donate appreciated stock rather than selling stocks and donating cash. In fact, you can donate the stock, then rebuy it to have a higher cost basis. Tip: pay yourself first. Once you get paid, immediately save and invest before spending. You can easily do this by setting up an automation to transfer your money to a savings account, brokerage account, or retirement account immediately after you get paid. Which of these 11 tricks and tips is your favorite? Comment down below. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to One Investor. Thank you for watching.